occasion, the inauguration of the Medical Simulation Center of Cebu Normal University, Vicente Soto Memorial Medical Center, College of Medicine. This state-of-the-art facility is the first of its kind in Central Visayas, dedicated to advancing medical education through simulation-based learning. It stands as a testament to our unwavering commitment to equipping future physicians with the essential knowledge, clinical skills, and confidence to provide quality healthcare for our Cebuanos. We are privileged to be joined today by these distinguished individuals who have been instrumental in making this vision a reality.
Job in this process was, at that time, I was Vice Chair of the Committee on Finance, and so it was my job to finance the needs of the Department of Health and all related health units and education. So because of those two areas of interest, yung passion ko talaga is health and education, na-merge ko yung dalawang yan to come up with this kind of system, this kind of products that we have here. So the goal really is to have more doctors, and the goal is to have great medical schools. So one of the ways that we are teaching our med students is through the simulation labs, which I will ask the experts to take over because hindi naman po ako doktor, hindi naman ako expert, and they are specially trained in using the sim lab. So basically, if you look closely and can you zoom in, hindi po ito tao, ito ay mga, what do you call them?
High fidelity simulators.
Okay, high fidelity simulators. Parang tao, pero hindi sila tao.
She is called Lucina.
Oo, pinapangalanan niya yan, di ba? So ito si Lucina, manganganak na siya. So take over na yung mga doktor to explain kung ano ba ito.
Hirapang tanggalin si baby or nag-bleed out na si mother. So anong gagawin?
I love to close.
For privacy.
Also, ano po niya, let's assume na nanganak na siya. So may baby na. Ito tayo. Baby na. Ito na si baby, si Luna.
Yes. Ito naman po si Luna, infant simulator
Yan
na.
si Luna ha. Kunyari, ako si mother.
So meron po kasi tayong newborn care, no?
Ano niya, pati pala yung leeg niya.
Yes po.
Talaga.
Tsaka nagbabago din
Pero
po
sa
yung
totoo lang,
mata.
mabigat siya sa bago sa newborn. Mabigat siya. Nagbabago yung mata. So kasi kasama yan sa tinitingnan ng mga doktor.
Yes po. Bali po, naririnig talaga dito yung heart sounds ng baby, and then na-check nila if yung paghinga niya is okay, and then if the baby is normal or abnormal, anong pwede nilang gawin. Pwede din po silang mag-intubate if ever the baby needs to be intubated kasi hirap siyang huminga. So marami pong pwedeng gawin with Luna.
Pati intubation?
Yes, meron din.
And if I may just say, again, hindi ako doktor, no? I'm a lawyer. Pero di ba yung intubation, it's a difficult process,
Yeah.
right? So technically nga, parang nga matulog isa, you will have to learn on a human being. So now, they can learn